Hello, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match, and now enable Hey Google function. Tap next, agree, continue, and let's try it out. Hey Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, enter lock screen, and make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 94 and a low of 67.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.